In today's interconnected world, securing information is paramount. We transmit sensitive data every day. This data ranges from financial transactions to personal messages. Protecting this information is crucial. This is where block ciphers emerge as unsung heroes. Block ciphers are fundamental building blocks of modern cryptography. They provide confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity to our digital lives. Imagine a world without block ciphers. Online banking would be vulnerable to attacks. E-commerce would be riddled with fraud. Secure communication would be nearly impossible. The consequences would be catastrophic. Block ciphers act as digital locks, safeguarding our data from prying eyes. These cryptographic algorithms operate on fixed-length blocks of data. They use a secret key to transform this data into an unreadable format. Only authorized parties with the key can decrypt and access the original information. This process ensures that even if intercepted, the data remains incomprehensible to adversaries. The beauty of block ciphers lies in their versatility and robustness. They can be implemented in various ways to suit different security needs. From securing communication channels to protecting data at rest, block ciphers play a critical role in securing our digital world. Understanding their workings is essential for anyone who wants to grasp the complexities of modern network security. To truly appreciate the power of block ciphers, we must delve into their inner workings. At their core, block ciphers operate on the simple principle of dividing data into fixed-size blocks. Each block then undergoes a series of mathematical transformations based on a secret key. The block size and key size are fundamental parameters of a block cipher. Block size determines the amount of data processed at once. Key size, on the other hand, dictates the number of possible keys used for encryption and decryption. A larger key size generally implies stronger security, as it increases the difficulty for attackers to guess the correct key. However, simply encrypting each block independently can lead to vulnerabilities. This is where modes of operation come in. Modes of operation dictate how blocks are linked together during encryption. This ensures that identical plaintext blocks don't result in identical ciphertext blocks, enhancing security. Another important concept is padding. Since data rarely fit neatly into fixed-size blocks, padding is used. Padding involves adding extra bits to the last block. This ensures that all data aligns with the block size requirement of the cipher. Different padding schemes exist, each with its own security implications. Over the years, various block ciphers have emerged, each with strengths and weaknesses. Let's explore three prominent examples: DS, 3DS, and AES. DS, or Data Encryption Standard, was the first widely adopted block cipher. Developed in the 1970s, DS operates on 64-bit blocks and uses a 56-bit key. While groundbreaking at the time, DS's small key size has become a vulnerability with the advancement of computing power. To address DS's weaknesses, 3DS, or triple DS, was introduced. 3DS essentially applies the DS algorithm 3 times with different keys, effectively increasing the key size to 168 bits. While more secure than DS, 3DS is less efficient due to the triple encryption process. The current gold standard in block cipher technology is AES, or Advanced Encryption Standard. AES, with its variable block and key sizes, 128, 192, or 256 bits, offers robust security and efficiency. Its adoption by governments and industries worldwide is a testament to its reliability. These examples highlight the evolution of block ciphers. As technology advances, so do the ciphers we use to protect our data. Understanding the strengths and limitations of each cipher is crucial for selecting the right algorithm for specific security requirements. One of the primary applications of block ciphers is securing communication channels. In today's digital landscape, where data traverses vast and often insecure networks, ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of communications is paramount. Block ciphers achieve this by encrypting data before transmission. Only the intended recipient, possessing the correct decryption key, can decipher the message. This prevents eavesdroppers from intercepting and understanding sensitive information. Consider the example of online banking. When you access your bank's website, your browser and the bank's server establish a secure communication channel using TLS/SSL protocols. These protocols rely heavily on block ciphers to encrypt the data exchanged, such as account numbers and passwords. Similarly, virtual private networks, VPNs, utilize block ciphers to create secure tunnels over public networks. This allows users to access private networks remotely without compromising the security of their data. The encrypted tunnel ensures that any intercepted traffic remains incomprehensible to unauthorized entities. From securing online transactions to enabling secure remote access, block ciphers form the backbone of secure communication in the digital age. Their ability to transform sensitive data into an unreadable format while in transit is crucial for maintaining privacy and trust in online interactions. While securing data in transit is essential, protecting data at rest is equally critical. Data at rest refers to information stored on devices or in databases. This data is vulnerable to unauthorized access, particularly if the storage medium is compromised. Block ciphers offer a robust solution for encrypting data at rest. By encrypting sensitive files, databases, or even entire storage devices, organizations can ensure that even if unauthorized access occurs, the data remains protected. For instance, many cloud storage providers utilize block ciphers to encrypt user data stored on their servers. This ensures that even if a data breach occurs, the attackers can't access the encrypted information without the decryption key. Full disk encryption, a feature available in many operating systems, relies on block ciphers to encrypt the entire hard drive. This protects all data stored on the device, even if the device is lost or stolen. The use of block ciphers for data at rest encryption extends beyond personal devices and cloud storage. Enterprises employ these ciphers to protect sensitive business data, financial records, and intellectual property stored on their servers and databases. Despite their robustness, block ciphers are not immune to attacks. Cryptanalysis, the science of breaking codes, constantly evolves, challenging the strength of cryptographic algorithms. Cryptanalysts employ various techniques to exploit weaknesses in block ciphers. These techniques range from brute force attacks, which involve trying all possible keys, to more sophisticated methods that exploit vulnerabilities in the cipher's design or implementation. The security of a block cipher depends on several factors, including the key size, the strength of the underlying mathematical algorithms, and the absence of known vulnerabilities. As computing power increases and new cryptanalytic techniques emerge, the security of older ciphers can diminish. The history of cryptography is a constant arms race between cipher designers and cryptanalysts. As attackers discover new ways to break existing ciphers, cryptographers develop stronger algorithms and techniques to counter these threats. This ongoing battle ensures that encryption remains ahead of the curve, constantly evolving to meet the challenges posed by evolving security threats. The security of any encryption system, including those based on block ciphers, hinges on the secure handling of cryptographic keys. Keys are the secret ingredients that unlock the encrypted data. If compromised, the entire system becomes vulnerable. Key management encompasses the generation, storage, distribution, and destruction of cryptographic keys. Proper key management practices are crucial for maintaining the confidentiality and integrity of encrypted data. Key generation involves creating strong, random keys that are difficult for attackers to guess. Key storage focuses on securing keys from unauthorized access. Key distribution addresses the secure sharing of keys between authorized parties. Finally, key destruction involves securely erasing keys when they are no longer needed. Failure to implement robust key management practices can undermine even the strongest block ciphers. A weak link in the key management chain can provide attackers with a backdoor to access encrypted data, rendering the entire encryption process useless. Block ciphers offer several advantages that make them well-suited for securing networks. Confidentiality. Block ciphers ensure that only authorized parties with the correct key can decrypt and access the protected data. Integrity. By detecting any unauthorized modifications to the encrypted data, block ciphers guarantee data integrity during transmission or storage. Authentication. Block ciphers can be used to verify the identity of communicating parties, ensuring that data originates from a trusted source. Efficiency block ciphers are computationally efficient, making them suitable for encrypting large volumes of data in real-time applications. Flexibility. Block ciphers can be implemented in various modes of operation and combined with other cryptographic techniques to meet specific security requirements. These advantages have led to the widespread adoption of block ciphers in various network security protocols and applications. From securing web traffic to protecting sensitive data in databases, block ciphers play a crucial role in safeguarding our digital assets. While block ciphers remain a cornerstone of network security, the field of cryptography is continuously evolving. New threats and technologies are driving the development of new encryption techniques that go beyond traditional block ciphers. One such area of innovation is homomorphic encryption. Unlike traditional encryption, which requires decryption before data manipulation, homomorphic encryption allows computations on encrypted data without decryption. This has significant implications for privacy-preserving data analysis and cloud computing. Another promising area is quantum cryptography. Quantum cryptography leverages the principles of quantum mechanics to create theoretically unbreakable encryption schemes. While still in its early stages, quantum cryptography has the potential to revolutionize data security in the future. As technology advances and new threats emerge, the field of cryptography will continue to evolve. Block ciphers will likely remain an important tool in the security arsenal, but they will be complemented by new and innovative encryption techniques that address the challenges of the future. In conclusion, block ciphers are essential tools in the ongoing quest to secure our increasingly interconnected world. They provide the foundation for secure communication, data protection, and countless other applications that rely on confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity. From the early days of DES to the current reign of AES, block ciphers have evolved to meet the challenges posed by advancing technology and persistent adversaries. While new encryption techniques emerge, block ciphers remain a cornerstone of modern cryptography, safeguarding our digital lives in countless ways. Understanding the principles, strengths, and limitations of block ciphers is crucial for anyone involved in network security. As we entrust more of our lives to the digital realm, the importance of strong encryption will only continue to grow, ensuring that our data remains protected, private, and secure.